and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful and slightly tricky aspect of the past continuous tense. You probably know it for actions in progress in the past, right? Like, I was watching TV when you called. But did you know you can also use it to talk about past intentions, plans, or hopes, especially when they didn't quite work out? Stick around and you'll master this in just a few minutes. First, let's quickly recap the structure. It's simple. Subject plus was or were, plus the ing form of a verb. For example, I was planning, or they were hoping. Easy enough. Now for the cool part. We use this structure to talk about something we intended to do in the past. This is perfect for situations where your plans changed or just didn't happen. Think about it. Have you ever said something like, I was planning to go to the beach, but then it started raining? That's it. You're using the past continuous to describe a plan that got canceled. Here's another one. She was hoping to meet her friends, but they were all busy. The hope existed in the past, but the meeting didn't happen. This usage often involves verbs like plan, intend, hope, think about, and expect. For instance, we were thinking of traveling abroad last summer, but we couldn't get the time off work. The thought, the intention, was there. But the trip itself? Nope. You can also use it to simply state what a plan was at a certain point in the past, even if you don't mention the outcome. Someone might ask, what were your career goals back in 2020? You could reply, at that time, I was intending to start my own business. It describes your mindset and plans during that specific period. Or, they were expecting to move to a new house last year. This tells us their plan, whether they actually moved or not. So, to sum up, when you want to talk about a past plan, intention, or hope, especially one that changed or didn't materialize, the past continuous is your best friend. It adds a layer of nuance to your storytelling and makes your English sound much more natural. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this quick lesson, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or try writing your own sentence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.